palmettos. Come, let's go see it. There are 1 through 15 species of palmetto palm native to southern United States. It can grow up to 65 feet tall. Need hot and humid summers to grow well, but have been known to survive 8.6 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold.
This is a ladybug, and it has 7 spots, and it's orange, and they come in colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and gray. This is a Gerbera Daisy flower, and I found it on sale, and I bought it with my own money. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.